Kashmir Solidarity Day. One pledge, one destination. Introduction and background. Kashmir Solidarity Day is celebrated every year on February 5th. Historically, Kashmir was a part of Pakistan because most people there were Muslim, but in 1947, India sent its army and took control of Kashmir, who are fighting for their freedom. Natural beauty of the valley. Kashmir is a masterpiece of nature, often called paradise on earth. Its crystal clear lakes, green mountains, snow-capped peaks, and flowing waterfalls amaze everyone. The chinar trees and saffron fields make it even more beautiful. Allah has blessed this valley with such beauty that tourists from all over the world wish to see it. The story of operation. Sadly, India has turned this beautiful valley into a land of blood. Today, instead of the scent of flowers, there is the smell of gunpowder. Innocent Kashmiris are locked in their homes. Mothers are burying their sons and children are deprived of education. The Indian army has crossed all limits of cruelty.